Dr. Mehul D. Jani, maxillofacial surgeon and associate lecturer at CDS RCH Bhopal Dental College, Ahmedabad. He is practicing strategic implantology since 2012. His expertise lies in immediate post-onco rehabilitation of maxillectomy cases with zygomatic implants. We invite Dr. Mehul D. Jani for his presentation. Welcome Dr. Mehul D. Jani onto the dais, please. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. It's Malay Vanakkam. It's correct? Anyone is Tamil? What is it, Malay Vanakkam? Is it correct or not? Okay, thank you. So, I welcome you all on behalf of International Implant Foundation and Society of Immediate Functional Loading Implantology. I welcome you to the world of cortical implantology. These are my teachers who taught me basics of dental implantology. Dr. Ide and Dr. Vivek has helped me a lot during my initial time, and today also I am very much thankful to him because he has given me the opportunity to speak on this beautiful conference. My topic is KOS implant in healed and extraction sockets. This is my first implant. I have placed it in 2009. It was two-stage rough surface implant. It was conventional implant. But now after 10 years in 2019, I am not using this two-stage implant. I am submerging it and I am allowing them to sleep inside the bone. There are many designs in the strategic implantology, but in these all designs, one of the favorite design is KOS implant. This KOS implant has different types. One is KOS X, one is KOS Micro, one is KOS Plus, and KOS MU. KOS MU will allow you to give a retrievable process, which Dr. Anita has shown you. In this KOS Micro, it has a polished neck, which is bendable. It has non-aggressive crystal threads, which will engage cortical bone, crystal cortical bone. It has apical threads which are surface treated and they are compressive. So it will corticalize the cancellous bone and they will allow the maximum surface area for the osseointegration and it will provide you an anti-rotational property. But this bendable neck and the crystal micro threads are polished and it will prevent the peri-implantitis. But the apical threads are surface treated, they are rough. So there are chances that you may get peri-implantitis in this particular region. So how you can prevent the peri-implantitis in this region? Either you can learn from your mistake or you can learn from others' mistake. It's always better to learn from others' mistakes. Today I am here not to show you how good I am or how good I am working, but I am here to share my 6 or 7 years of experience with KOS implant. In last 6-7 years I have used thousands of KOS implant and hundreds of KOS implant I have placed in extraction socket in cases where there is active pus discharge, in cases where there is periapical lesions. So based on that experience, I have divided KOS implant placement in different 3 groups. One is KOS implant placement according to the extraction site, another is according to the implant position, and another is according to available bone on buccal or palatal or lingual side of the extraction socket. So this classification will help you in preoperative planning. It will help you to choose ideal implant site, implant size, and implant type. By looking at this classification in preoperative radiograph, you can make out that whether your KOS will stay or there will be a peri-implantitis. So you can choose accordingly. Going to the classification according to the extraction site, there are 2 types, class 1 and class 2. Class 1 is placement of implant in the healed bone and class 2 is placement of implant in the extraction socket. Classification according to the implant position, there are 4 positions. Placement of implant exactly in the extraction socket, placement of implant through the palatal or lingual wall of the socket, placement of implant palatal or